I got tired of my small tools just rattling around in the bottom of my chainsaw case, so I decided to do something about it. I made a little pouch to hold the small screwdrivers, and I plan to put it right about here. So I'll zoom in on this little pouch. This little pouch I made, it just made out of some suitcase material, suitcase that I picked up alongside the curb at trash day. I'm no seamstress, but sewing machine is just another tool to use, and I think it came out kind of nice. Some of my small tools, they just fit right in. Got some Velcro. They fit on there kind of nicely. Nice easy tab to grab even if I got gloves on. And plan on attaching it with some pop rivets. So show you how I'm going to do that. On the side of my chainsaw case here, from the outside to inside, it's about that thick, and but I can tell it's really thin plastic, so it's actually hollow in between there. So I drill some small holes that are enough for these really small pop rivets to fit through, and also go through my pouch, just attach it onto the side. So let's get started with that. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is create a little buttonhole stitch right here, and I got to cut that open just enough for this rivet to fit through. Carefully use an X-Acto knife and cut through there without cutting stitching. Just shove it through. Yeah, that'll work nicely. I've already cut this hole off camera. It was a little smaller buttonhole stitch, and so it was a little harder to do. There, that's that end. Alright, for the bottom end here, I believe there's enough fabric here that I can just cut a small hole into the corners and not worry about it ripping. This suitcase material is some pretty stiff fabric, so here at the corner next to the stitching, I'll just basically slice a little cross or a plus sign right here. Make sure I get all the way through that fabric. There we go. So now it ought to be, yeah, just big enough. I already did this other one off camera. Find my hole. There's those two. And here's these two. So now I'll be able to attach it to the inside. Alright. part of an awl without the handle to help me mark this. I've already done one hole. Let's see where I wanted it to line up. So mark the hole. Since they don't show up quite well, I have this little candle here with a nail driven into a piece of wood. I'm going to burn right through and mark that hole. Candle. Mark this hole. Find it. Finally got that one through too. Alright, I got my holes marked. Okay, my rivets are 0.125, 1/8 of an inch. Just wanted to verify that. 8-inch drill bit out here. And okay. This one's going to be a little tricky. There's one. Holes drilled. Make sure it's a snug fit. It is. Now to get my pop rivet gun. I got my pop rivet gun out. These all in here. We'll see how this works out. You guys can't see anything very well. Let's see if we can reposition that camera. Alright, let's see how this works out for you guys. Yeah, it looks like you can see. Sure, those are already in. Looks like it's going to work. That looks to be on there pretty secure. Throw some tools in. Yeah, that's going to hold in nicely. Let's throw the chainsaw in. Plenty of room, all nice and out of the way. Alright, that's going to work nicely. Now to come up with a different method for storing my file somewhere in here. That'll be another video. Thank you for watching.